everyone. Today is March the 28th, 2023 is 10:24 a.m. All right. So today my dream was about it's about Russia, which was weird. Um yeah, it was about Russia. I don't remember everything that had happened. I just remember some of it. So basically what had happened that I can remember is that um hold on, give me a second. Let me remember. Oh, shit, what was it? Okay, so I remember I was sent over to Russia to try to talk them down or something like that. It was like I was some type of agent or something. And I was sent over there to help talk them down and stuff. For some reason, Putin, he was, I don't know, it was, okay, I remember now. Okay, so it didn't have, okay, so Putin done did some shit, right? It ain't that they was over there fighting because of the Ukraine. They're fighting because Putin done let some damn secrets out that they weren't supposed to let out, right? So, um, it had something to do with I know the countries that I can remember. I know the U.S. was there. The let's see, the U.S. Then you had like Korea. I think that was Korea or China. I can't remember which one. Um, for some reason, I hear Taiwan, and it's like a couple more countries that I just can't think of right now. You had some African countries in there too, but I just can't remember. I can't remember them all right now, but it was like about 7 countries um, that was over there because Putin had put out some secrets that he wasn't supposed to put out. And when he put them out, they was, oh, it had the fucking country, it had the U.S. going crazy. You hear me? Like, cause well, for the ones that didn't know, we've been lied to. We already know that. But with these secrets, now remind you, I don't know what those secrets were. I just remember getting sent over there because of them. But these secrets were devastating, apparently, because they wanted to kill Putin for it. Now, I was sent over there and then I got sent back. And I got sent back with Putin's right hand man. So whoever that is, I don't know. So with Putin's right hand man, he was with me. The military tried to kill him, but I had to be the one to protect him at this time. So that's what I did. I don't know if I was a double agent. I don't know what the fuck was going on. I just know I had to protect him. So that's what I did. And when I protected him, they thought either the U.S., Korean, or China, whoever, they thought he was dead, but he wasn't. So something, wherever Putin was at, his mansion or castle, is like a castle, it looked like a castle to me, was destroyed. Like a part of it was destroyed because they trying to, they set fire to some shit and they put bombs through that motherfucker. It was fucked up. And then you have the foot soldiers coming out and everybody done came together to do this shit to him. I'm thinking here. So after this had happened, like I said, I was protecting dude. He was over there with me. And then when we got back, that's when I know about everything because we got back. We went back. So they apparently Putin had did something. He left or he went into hiding. So that made the dude that I was protecting, the next up for however they do it, I don't know. It ain't like the U.S. government. It was he was next up. I can't remember because they thought that Putin was dead at that time, and so I believe they wanted the right hand man dead because they didn't want him to be in the what's the name also. You know what I'm saying? So when they found out that he wasn't dead, they tried it again, but then something stopped it. Oh, something to do in the U.S. Something happened in the U.S. with the people. The people start standing up to the government because all the shit that was leaked out, and then when it got leaked out, my bad. When it got leaked out, um, it was like an uprise. An uprise started happening in the U.S. And then on top of the U.S. stuff, an uprising start happening in China, Taiwan. There was more, and I just can't think of who else was there. But not was it Dubai? Probably Dubai. I just can't remember, but I think it was. But anyway, it was an uprising that ended up happening with all the countries, and then with the people of the countries, and then everybody started coming together. Like it was a unity type thing. Man, that shit was deep. Now, how did all of us get over to the how did all of us end up in Russia to get over there to start fighting? I don't know. But we made it over this motherfucker, and we stopped the fight. You know what I'm saying? We stood up, we stood our ground, and we stopped the fight because we all found that we've been lied to. Like our government's been lying to us all this time. Man, that was a deep ass fucking I about to say movie. Deep ass fucking dream that I had. Well, I think that's it for the moment. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.